All right, we got these amazing sunglasses from Lamicall. Very stylish, great for cycling, running, doing activity outside. They're very aerodynamic. On top of the fact that I think they just look nice, but they're very aerodynamic. They've got the nice little vent vibes in here. Very lightweight. Also, like the way that they fit is just great. The nose piece can be adjusted depending on how you want to wear them, how big your nose is, your face. They can easily be adjusted. You've also got on the end here, these are very flexible, very, very flexible. So I think these sunglasses are great. On top of that, they're UV400 protection, which is great. Even comes with these cases. Nice hard case right here. And you've also got a soft case as well. So these things are amazing. Lamicall makes really great products. Now they're making some really great sunglasses. So I think you should get them.